Afternoon, children. Welcome to our personality enhance program. So in this PET class today, we are going to learn about GK. So GK is nothing but, you have your GK textbooks now. Please keep open your GK textbooks. Are you ready? I hope you are ready. Yes. So in that GK textbook, you please open page number 5 and 6. That is the chapter, Someone in Danger. So you will be seeing the page like this. You will be seeing a page like this. Here you can see some of the animals who are in danger. Okay? So let's find out each one of them. So dear children, here you can see some of the animals, right? So you can say these animals also species. They are the wild species in India. Okay? Now what happened is, these animals have a threat. And many of these animals, they are died. So that's why they have come to the stage of endangered. What's that? Endangered stage. So we can call these species as endangered species. Okay, many of these birds and animals, if they are keep on killed like that by some kind of human beings like poachers, hunters, they may extinct also. That is why we need to know about them interestingly. Okay, let's see first animal. So children, in this chapter we are going to learn about someone in danger. What's that? Someone in danger. It means who are in danger? Animals, species, birds and animals are in danger. Why they are in danger, Yes, they are being killed by some selfish human beings. They are called poachers, hunters, etc. So we need to protect them. Before you protect them, you need to know about them clearly. Yes? Yes. Here comes the first animal. This animal, if you see, this is a lion. You all know that this lion is a majestic animal, right children? But now this lion is in danger because the large amount of dense jungles are being cut by the human beings. So because of its, loss of prey, it is dying. You also know, nobody can survive without food for a longer time, So like that, these lions also dying. Now the second animal. So children, you please take a pencil like this. You write neatly. Asiatic lion. Please take a pencil like this and write with that pencil. Okay. Now the second animal. So you can see here, this is a sloth bear. This is a sloth bear. So this animal also is under threat because of loss of habitat. What's the meaning of habitat? The place where they live. If there are no forests, the animals keep on extinct. Okay. So and that too, the animal's gallbladder is used to Eastern medicine. This animal is most important as its gallbladder has been used for the Eastern medicine. So that much important this animal. If this is not there, then we can't make medicines anymore. Okay. So this animal name is sloth bear. You write neatly children. If you write neatly and maintain your GK book neatly, I'll give two more marks. Okay. And who completes the book in time, for them 2 marks. Understand children? Yeah. Now come to the third one. Its name is musk deer. This is also does not have antlers. It means what? It does not have horns. Okay, have you seen here any horns are there? No. So it is hunted for its musk gland. Here they will be having one gland for this animal. For that gland it is being hunted. Okay, that's why this is also an endangered species. Its name is musk deer. Now come to the fourth animal. This is also in common antelope only. Antelope means it will have horns. Deer will not have any horns. Do you understand children? Deer will not have any horns, whereas antelopes will have horns. Okay. Now come to the fourth animal children. This animal, it's a normal antelope only. What's the difference between deer and antelope? This antelope will have horns. Okay, na? These horns makes the deer as antelope. If any deer contains antelopes, horns, they are called antelopes. Deers will not have any horns. Okay, that's why we call them deer. So this antelope, will have 3-4 turns. Horns, Okay, so this poor animal is being hunted for its sport and flesh and skin. So its flesh and skin, because of its flesh and skin, they used to hunt this animal. Okay, its name is black buck. Its name is black buck. Write neatly, children. Black buck. Yes, now come to fifth one. Fifth one, it's a bird. It's a bird, children. It will be in large brown in color. This is also is an endangered because of loss of habitat, because no trees. This animal is also in endangered. Okay, its name is Great Indian Bustard. Great Indian Bustard. Now, sixth one. Here you can see one cat-like thing, no? This is a cat only. It's not tiger. It's look like tiger baby. It's a cub, but it's not a cub. It's a cat. So this cat, no, is very much unique. You can see here cloud-like, shapes on the body of the cat. Cloud-like shapes on the body of the cat, all over the body. Okay, now, so this is also under threat because of deforestation, children. And also, this cat is being used in the preparation of Chinese medicine. That is why this animal also came under endangered species. So, do you know this cat name, children? Clouded leopard. What's that? Clouded leopard. Children, write without mistakes, okay? Write neatly and without mistakes. Now let's come to the next animal, children. So this animal, no, it looks like horse. Am I right, children? But actually it is not a horse. It is wild ass. What's that, children? Asiatic wild ass. But it looks like horse. Do you know why it looks like horse, children? Because ass is a crossbreeding between donkey and a horse. Donkey and horse. That's why it will have horse face and body like a donkey. That's why it looks like a horse, but the body like donkey. It's called ass. What's that? Ass. So this name is Asiatic wild ass. This animal also is in great threat, children, because of diseases. It may catch diseases so easily. And loss of habitat. There are no forests. And there is no grazing grounds also. There is no grass available for eating. That's why this animal also under threat. So its name is Asiatic wild ass. Okay, now next comes to next animal, children. This is one-horn rhinoceros. Indian one-horn rhinoceros. Do you know about this animal, children? This is the only unique animal in the world whose body is very much strong like a rock. If you touch really, you feel like a rock only. So this animal is also being killed and hunted for its horn. Here you can see horn, no? Horn. So because of this horn, for this horn only they kill, because they use this horn for medicines. Okay, actually this is not a horn, this is a hair. But after many years, this horn becomes so strong and this hair becomes so strong and becomes a horn. So its name is what, children? Indian one-horn rhinoceros. RHINOCEROUS. Okay, now the next animal is golden langur. It's a monkey. The monkey breed name is what? Golden langur. So this monkey's population is also decreasing, children, because of loss of habitat. There is no forest, no? So this animal also comes under endangered. So let's write this golden langur. The next animal. See what this animal is? You may say this is tiger. Okay. So you all know that tiger is our national animal, right? But children, this is sadly been killed by some people for its bones, teeth and skin. Okay. Because these bones, teeth and skin are used in Chinese.